So this is a review I'm doing. I put whatever food I need to for 4 hours before my lunch, and then I come out, and this time I had pizza, and it's perfectly hot, cooked all the way through. Better than 100 times better than microwave. I usually put my chicken cut up in it, and it tastes just like it comes out the oven. No complaints. I've had it in here for 8 hours, and the bottom to the touch still cold, but inside really warm. Best buy I've ever gotten.
All right, so I ordered this 12V mini oven HOTLOGIC for my husband because he's often on the road. It plugs into your car and makes your food warm. So I'll start by unzipping this here. See if I can do it one-handed. Okay, zipper works nice and smooth. Very nice insulation. Came with a plastic little Tupperware. Probably not good for a lot of uses. Some instructions, how to, quick start guide, and the hot plate down here, which is pretty thin, but from all the reviews, it should be pretty good. So what I normally use to make his food is not something like this. We go more with the glass that we got from Costco. So I think that'll work out pretty good. And I did test it already. It zips up nice. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. There we go. Okay, so it does zip. It's a little big, but here's to hoping that works. I know he's done with eating sandwiches, so hoping this is good. So easy to clean, not great, hard material. It got a little scratch on it already from me messing around, but looking forward to seeing how he likes this.
All right, here it is. HOTLOGIC mini food warmer here in my truck. As you can see, I have a day cap. I don't have a sleeper, so I don't have space. So this is my container. Today, cooking some steak. Let's just open. Yep. All right. Nice little guy here. Barely fit in there. Get in there. Yep. Right. So I got my steak, which fits in here nice. So I'm gonna cook it up. It's currently 10:29. And I'll give it about 2 hours, see what happens. Got there too. Some cheesy potato tots, hand sanitizer. I'm gonna load it up and we're gonna see how this works. All right, got it loaded up, sealed. Kept these in this bag because I don't really want crossed flavors, because I really want to see how this works out. Let's open it up. Plug. Cigarette lighter plug. Some cables. There it is. See how long this takes. Set this on the seat so you don't heat up the cooler. All right. See you in 2 hours. All right. So it's actually been 3 hours. Food should be fully cooked now. Check it out. Oh yeah.
It's nice and hot. Moment of truth. So pop this baby open. Let's turn it off. Smells good. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's juicy. It's well done. That's okay. It's not supposed to be a gourmet steak. Let's see. Anyway, so I've done this. Looks pretty cooked to me. I did wash my hands. That is a cooked steak, y'all. Cook the steak all the way.
HOTLOGIC Mini after about a couple hours. This was like ice cold macaroni and cheese. Oh, look at that. Yum, yum, yum.
This works so well. It did come with his own container, but it came with its own little plastic container, but I used this one because this one's smaller, didn't have that much food. As you can see, the steam is on top, it's still hot. It's the plates. I kept my chili nice and warm. The container didn't melt. Doesn't melt. That's for me. I did heat it up for just a minute or two before I left the house. 8 o'clock this morning. It's now 11 because my car is kind of turned on and off, so it's not consistently on, but it does keep my food very hot.